So, you want to make a boiled and baked cheese bagel? Step right up and learn how to do it. Pour packets of yeast into a cup of warm water and sugar. Let it ferment. Pour 3 cups of flour into a large bowl. Sprinkle salt on top of the flour and make a well in the center of the flour. Pour the yeast mixture into the center of the well. Mix well to combine the flour with the yeast. Break an egg into a cup and scramble. Pour egg and oil on top and mix. Knead the dough. It should bounce back when pressure is added. Cover the bowl with a towel. Proof for an hour. Once the dough rises, put the dough on a floured cutting board. Stretch the dough into a rectangle. Then, use a bread knife to cut into 10 pieces. Take each piece and roll into a ball. Use your fingers to create a hole in the center of the ball. Put the bagel on a pan and let them proof a second time in a warm place for half an hour. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Get a saucepan and mix the honey with water and bring to a boil. Cut or grate the cheese into small strips. Take a proofed bagel dough using a spatula and place them into the water. Depending on the size of the pot, you might be able to boil 3 bagels at a time. Leave a bagel alone for 2 minutes in boiling water. Then, turn the bagel dough over for 1.5 minutes. Then, remove the water and place them onto a towel to catch the residue. After a minute, transfer to a cooking pan. Cover the warm bagel with grated cheese and put it in the preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes. They should be brown and the cheese should have melted on top. Lay them on a tray to cool.